Welcome back to my channel, and here's just a snippet of a video for my channel to show you my new cuttings, my new propagations, my pothos. I have here a golden pothos that I just got it from a node. Wait, it's not focusing. From a node, then I just dipped it into water till the roots come out, and then they are ready for planting. Here's another 1, 2, 3. Look, there's already a root. Why it's not focusing? Hey, sorry for that. Yeah, so you can see the root, it's already established. It's about a few centimeters. Another one. What you have to do is just you have to cut the pothos near at the node. Just leave few stem, 3 centimeters of a stem, then dip it into water for a few days, and then the roots will just come out. So I have here another one. I don't know what kind of potho is this. Kindly comment down below. There are roots now already. And I also have here joy. Here are my pothos joy, one with a damaged leaf. So that's my joy. This is my another cutting from last week. Another golden pothos. It's not focusing. What a beauty. So today I'll be showing you in planting. I'm planning to plant these all together in this small container. It's just a regular soil in the rice hull to contain the moisture. So let's do this. Just dig a hole into your soil, place the cutting, and let it grow. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. For sure, I'll be making a part 2 and update of this video. Thanks for watching.